So we asked some students about geological processes like volcanoes, earthquakes, and islands.
What do people really know about volcanoes, earthquakes, and islands? Let's find out.
What are the different stages of volcanoes?
Active, dormant, and extinct.
Awesome. And how are volcanoes formed?
I'm pretty sure it's when tectonic plates like crack and erupt, and then the magma from the core leaks out, builds up pressure, and then pops up.
Knew more than I did. Okay. Okay, Miss Claire. What are islands?
Islands, I'm sure, are like volcanoes that have just gone dormant or still.
Would you live on them? Would you trust islands?
If the volcanoes dormant, yeah.
Okay, she is talking about the core, but that's solid iron, and the magma comes from the mantle.
How do you think volcanoes are formed?
I'm pretty sure they're formed when, like, magma from the Earth's crust pushes through, and the magma kind of like goes on the surface, and it kind of like builds up until it's like a mountain.
Okay.
I think that's how it works.
And how do you think islands are formed?
From volcanoes that are underwater.
Okay. Explain. Like, the volcanoes are underwater and then
Lava comes out, and it kind of starts going to the surface, and it turns to rock.
it like solidifies on top?
I think it actually starts building from the bottom, maybe.
Oh, from the bottom up. Okay.
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Alright. Well, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Welcome to my TED Talk.
Oh, it's a TED Talk!
That's good, that's good. So I have a few questions for you today. How do you think islands are formed?
Well, Nikki. So, from what I remember in the 5th grade, tectonic plates in the earth. No, that's mountains.
She's right about this. The Aleutian Islands were created from a subduction zone.
I think, yeah, because islands, dude, I have no idea. That's how you form mountains. So, islands are formed when volcanoes erupt and the lava dries and forms land on the water because it's hot and cold, and together they form rock, and rock is what islands are made of.
Okay, I have one more question for you.
Okay.
How are volcanoes formed?
Well, that is where tectonic plates come in. I'm almost completely 90% sure. They collide and form an upward
Oh, okay.
thing, and then the mantle, no, the core of the earth, that's where it's really hot, and then there's like the mantle, and then the heat from the core, I think, inner core. There's an inner and an outer, something where there's lots of lava in there, comes up the little crack in the tectonic plates that we have, and out forms lava, eruption, volcano.
Okay, so they like hit and then bust up to make the
Like a pimple.
like a pimple. All right. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Hi Amy, so I just wanted to know what you know about the Ring of Fire and how it is related to volcanoes.
Sure, the Ring of Fire is located where tectonic plates meet, and when one tectonic plate subducts, then that creates lava, and then that's how a volcano forms.
That's a great answer. Did you know that that's where most of Earth's volcanoes are located?
I did know that.
Hey, so I just wanted to ask you some questions about what you know about earthquakes. So do you know how earthquakes are formed?
Yeah, so earthquakes are formed because they lie on plate boundaries. And fun fact, California lies on a transform boundary where two plates like rub together, and that's why they have so many earthquakes.
That's a great fun fact. Did you know that it lies on the San Andreas Fault, and that's the transform boundary, and that's why it has so many earthquakes?
No, I didn't, but thank you for sharing.
So, I guess students knew more about geology than I expected.